Hello friends, welcome to BioVidyalaya. I hope you all are doing very well. Today in this lecture video we are going to discuss about what is the difference between incomplete dominance and codominance.
This video will be helpful for those who are preparing for CSIR NET Live Science, GATE Live Science, NEET and those who are studying in plus 2 science. So before going to begin, if you are new to my channel or if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, then please do subscribe and also don't forget to enable the bell icon. So let's start. In our previous lecture videos, we discussed about Mendel's principle of inheritance. If you didn't watch that video, then the link is here in the below description box. Please go through that. We know that Mendel did all his experiments in pea plant. In the case of monohybrid cross, if we cross pure breeding, that means homozygous red color flower, that means capital R with pure breeding white color flower, then we will get capital R small r as F1 hybrid. Here the phenotype is red because here the dominant trait red color will express. The dominant allele that will mask the expression of recessive allele. That's why here we are getting a red color flower. Okay. But this concept is not true in the case of all the plants. That is the variation from Mendel's principle. In the case of incomplete dominance and codominance, two versions of the gene, that means the alleles, that will interact with each other and that will produce another trait, that will be a third phenotype, that is neither dominant or recessive trait. Okay, so let's see what is incomplete dominance. What is meant by incomplete? Incomplete means not full, or we can say partial. So this incomplete dominance is also called semi-dominance or partial dominance. Incomplete dominance is when a dominant allele or form of a gene does not completely mask the effect of a recessive allele and the organism resulting physical appearance shows a blending of both the alleles. Okay. In incomplete dominance, if we cross two different phenotypes, then we will get a third phenotype, that is something in between. That phenotype will be intermediate phenotype. Okay. Let's see an example. Snapdragon plant. If we cross red color, pure breeding red color snapdragon flower, capital R with pure breeding white color flower, then we will get capital R small r as F1 hybrid and the phenotype is pink. Why here phenotype is pink? Because the dominant allele capital R does not completely mask the effect of recessive allele small r. That's why we are getting an intermediate color pink. Okay. So in incomplete dominance, the dominant allele does not completely mask the effect of recessive allele. That's why we will get an intermediate phenotype. If we self-pollinate this F1 hybrid, then we will get capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r and small r as F2. Okay. Here capital R means red, capital R, small r means pink, capital R, small r pink and small r white. So phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. 1 red color flower, 2 pink color and 1 white color. Okay. So here in incomplete dominance, dominant allele does not completely mask the effect of recessive allele. That's why we are getting an intermediate phenotype. Okay. Let's see what is codominance. The meaning of co is together. If I say cooperate, cooperate means work together. So here also same meaning, both the phenotype will express, both the traits are equally dominant. Codominance means neither allele can mask the expression of the other allele. See here, this red, if we cross the red color flower with white color flower, then we will get F1 hybrid with patches of both red and white color. That is called the codominance. Here neither allele can mask the expression of the other allele. Both the traits are equally dominant. For an example from human is ABO blood group. If an individual inherit A allele from father and B allele from mother, the blood group of the individual will become AB. Here both the A and B allele will express. Both the A and B trait that are equally dominant. So the blood group is AB. Okay. So here in the case of codominance, neither allele can mask the expression of the other allele. Okay. So in the case of incomplete dominance, the dominant allele is not able to completely mask the expression of recessive allele. In the case of codominance, neither allele can mask the expression of the other allele. Okay. This is very simple concept. I think this is clear for you. Here I am winding up this video.
If you like this video and find it helpful, then please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and also in your social medias. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the bell icon. So you will get notification when I upload new videos. Keep learning. Thank you.